Hello students, I am Chalama Reddy. Previous class we are completed level 1 up to 23 problems. Now we are going to discuss 24th problem onwards. Here they are asking mod sin x minus cos x value. And already given sin x plus cos x is equal to a. Now see here, first I am going to take mod sin x minus cos x whole square. That means this is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square. Next, what? Minus 4ab. Is correct, students? A minus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. Yes or no? Now here, this is sin x plus cos x whole square minus what I want right here, 2 sin x cos x. That's it. This is formula, algebraic formula. Already you know very well. Sin x plus cos x means that value should be a, already given in the question, a square minus 2 sin x cos x. Here take that sin x plus cos x is equal to a, do the squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides. What happens, students? Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Here actually 4. I am written mistake. This is 4. Okay. That is equal to a square. What is sin square x plus cos square x value? 1. No? This one send right hand side. So overall you will get 2 sin x cos x value, that is a square minus 1. Here substitute 4 sin x cos x is there. Are these two send here? It is going to denominator. Now 4 into a square minus 1 by 2. See the calculation? 2 2 set. Okay. Next, a square minus 2a square plus 2. Finally, this is 2 minus a square or not? This is only mod sin x minus cos x whole square. Now, square send right hand side. It is going to square root. In front of the square root, actually we get plus or minus. But here modulus function is there now. Modulus function value always should be positive. Don't write plus or minus, only positive. Under root 2 minus a square. Students, which option is correct? Third option. Here, 25th question. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C value k, and 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin B into 1 minus C value also k. So first I am going to write first term 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin B into 1 plus sin C. That value should be k. Same like that, 1 minus sin A 1 minus sine b into 1 minus sine c. That value also k. Students, this is think 1, this is 2. Now do one thing, 1 into 2, both multiply. Both multiply. First, I am going to multiply left-hand side terms. Multiply these two, what happened? Tell me. What happened? A plus b into a minus b, like that is there. That is a square minus b square. We get 1 minus sine square a. Next, multiply these two. Multiply those two. What happened? You will get 1 minus sine square b. Similarly, third one also, you will get 1 minus sine square c. That is equal to, multiply right hand side terms. K into k, k square or not? Right. Now see the left hand side terms. 1 minus sine square a, that is cos square a, into cos square b into cos square c, that is equal to k square. This is, we can write cos a, cos b, cos c whole square. A square, b square, c square means we are writing abc whole square now. Now right hand side square, send left hand side. At that time you will get like this. K is equal to plus or minus under root cos a, cos b, cos c whole square. Square root cancel. Students, what is answer finally? Plus or minus cos a, cos b, cos c. So which option is correct, students? Second option is correct. 26th question. What they are given? Cosecant square a cot square a minus secant square a tan square a minus cot square a minus tan square a into secant square a cosecant square a minus 1 is equal to this is. Here students observe that cosecant, cot, secant terms are there. Already I told to you, if sine theta or cos theta terms are there means only these two terms. In place of theta, take that either 0 or 90. Yes or no? If sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, these type of terms are there means theta value take 45 degrees. This is a shortcut method. Now I am going to take angle A 45 degrees. Now substitute in the question. What happened? Cosecant 45 root 2, that is root 2 whole square. Cot 45 1 square minus here root 2 whole square. Tan 45 1 square minus here cot 45 1 square 1 tan 45 1 square 1 into secant square a, that is root 2 whole square, root 2 whole square minus 1. See here, this is 2 minus 2 minus here 1 minus 1 0, 0 into something, that is completely 0. Actually these two also going to cancel. What is the answer? 0. First option is correct. 27th one. Tan squared theta plus secant theta is equal to 5. Then secant theta value. So total equation convert in terms of secant, then we get the answer. Okay. What is tan square theta formula? That is secant square theta minus 1 plus secant theta. 5 right hand side is there, send to left hand side. This is now secant square theta plus secant theta minus 6 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in secant theta. Split into factors. Secant square theta plus 3 secant theta minus 2 secant theta minus 6 is equal to 0. In first two terms, secant theta common. We get secant theta plus 3 minus 2 common, secant theta plus 3. Now finally, what we are getting? Secant theta minus 2 into secant theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Now tell me students, what is secant theta values? One is 2, another one is minus 3. There are 3 values possible. So out of these 2 values, only one value given, second option.